Hello, it's Wednesday the 19th. I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. So the MPC is expected to leave rates unchanged tomorrow. We had a couple of votes to cut last time out, but there hasn't really been enough change to inflation or economic performance to really rebalance the votes yet. Yes, headline inflation dropped to 2% this morning, down from 2.3%, and yes, that officially means that they have finally reached their target. But wage inflation presents an unwelcome inflationary pressure for them still to deal with, and a rate cut remains unlikely. Even when it could provide some pretty welcome economic stimulus, because the economy flatlined in April. So the Bank of England looked unlikely to play any part in the election campaigns, but HSBC entered the chat. The banking giant endorsed some of Sunak's claims, warning that Labour's plan for a genuine living wage will push up employment costs, drive inflation up and push employment numbers down. A timely reminder of the external challenges the MPC face with employment costs and wage inflation. They will want to get past the election to see what Labour prioritise before changing monetary policy. Sterling moved a little higher yesterday, peaking around 127.20 against the dollar and about 118.35 against the euro. Now over in the US, the economy is looking pretty resilient, but unfortunately this is coupled with pretty resilient inflation too. The wider view is that it's too early for a rate cut, and the Fed will need to see inflation progressing further towards their 2% target before acting. Where the economy is standing up to the higher rate environment, there is less pressure for a rate cut to inject the stimulus, which is obviously the case being made in the UK. Retail sales came out at 0.1%, which is less than the 0.3% forecast, but it did reverse the 0.2% decline last month. Overall, C+, could do better. That helped keep the dollar in limbo, rather lacking any drivers. The dollar index slipped back to 105.15 on the day yesterday. Eurozone inflation data came out unchanged for May. Headline was 2.6% and core was 2.9%. It would be remiss to draw any conclusions from one data set, but if things continue to flatline, it could suggest they cut too soon. Watch this space. Euro dollar moved higher on the data. That peaked around 107.60 yesterday, and we kick off this morning from 127.15 against the dollar, 118.40 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 107.40 on the open this morning. That's it from me. Have a great day.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.